Hello everyone, this is Anuj from GadgetGig. Today we have with us a unique gadget for you, and it's a portable air purifier. This is the Smart Air QT3, which is a personal air purifier device. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and we'll tell you how it performs. So here is a box of the Smart Air QT3. And in the front, we have the picture of the air purifier and the features such as it's portable, can be used as fan, and it's an air purifier. Here at this side, we can see it comes with an air filter and it's portable in design. And here at the back, we have the specifications of this air purifier. Now, let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top we have the user guide, and here we have the details how to set up this portable air purifier. And then we have the air purifier itself. And guys, my first impression is that it's quite portable, and also I love this design. It looks definitely beautiful, and for sure, it's going to look good on the work table or at the bedside. In terms of the overview, we have the grill in the front, which is detachable, and inside it, we have our air filter. It's a HEPA filter and has a lifespan of 200 days. On the top, we have the function buttons, and here we have the fan speed button along with the filter reset button. You also have these 4 LED lights where you have 3 for the fan speed, and the last one is the filter replacement indicator. Once you replace the filter, you can simply press and hold the filter reset button. On the top, there is also this mini compartment where you can store your charging cable. And guys, in this portable purifier, you get 2000 mAh battery, which will give you around 3 to 4 hours of usage time. So this means you can use it while traveling or in your car. And at home, just plug in the USB Type-C cable at the back. There is also a home variant which doesn't come with a built-in battery, and it's slightly less in price. And now about the setup. So to set up the purifier, just place the HEPA filter here with the front marking towards your side, and then slide the grill back, and that's it. Your device is now ready to use. And now about the working. So basically, this air purifier is for personal use. For example, you can use it in your car, work table, or at your bedside. And because of its compact design and how quiet it is, you will not even notice that it's turned on. In terms of the performance mode, the QT3 can clean 40 cubic meter area per hour, and it has a noise level of just 32 decibel. And personally, I've been using it for quite some time, and I find the performance very good. I keep this device on my work table, and I can for sure feel the difference. You will not feel the difference immediately, but after some time, you will feel freshness around you. So overall, if you're looking for a portable air purifier for your personal use, and if you want a cost-effective and a good-looking device for your table, then the Smart Air QT3 is a very good option. This portable air purifier can remove 95% particles from air, including the PM 2.5 and also the virus particles. And because of its 3-in-1 design, you can use it as a regular fan at home, but of course with clean air. Design-wise, it's compact and weighs just over 600 grams, and you can easily carry this in your backpack. So in short, if you're looking for a portable personal air purifier, then you can definitely check out the Smart Air QT3. The price of this product is Rs 3599 for the travel variant, which has a battery, and Rs 3299 for the home variant. And if you like this gadget and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Smart Air QT3 air purifier. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us if you have any queries or questions about this portable air purifier in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel GadgetGig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.